Warning: this video contains strong language, partial nudity, and adult situations. Viewer discretion is advised.
State your name.
Sean McQuay. Richard Slammer.
What are your guns' names?
Old Ben. Boone.
What is your mission?
To relate Airsoft to physics.
The equipment we will need today consists of 2 high-capacity magazines, 2 airsoft rifles, goggles for eye protection, a wolf knife, hand warmers, because it's going to be chilly. If you give a mouse a cookie, batteries for the airsoft rifles, BBs, weights 0.28 grams, 0.25, 0.2, and 0.12. Well, got a couple of pansies.
Alright, you maggots. I'm here to make you in shape so you can graduate from Airsoft Army Academy. Get down in a plank position.
Yes, sir.
You will need to know the following equations: force, kinetic energy, power, work, and velocity. McQuay, what is the equation for velocity?
Weight times the...
No! Nothing better than shared dirt.
What does it even mean?
Don't ask questions. Slammer, since you're a know-it-all, what's the equation for power?
Weight?
No!
Come on, Deshaun, you can do it! Deshaun, come on, push it! Come on, push it, Deshaun! Run! That's 1! You got 10 more to go! Woo-hoo!
This equation, McQuay, force. Mass times acceleration, sir! Slammer, force. What McQuay said. Nice work, Slammer. Thank you, sir. Name this equation. Power, McQuay. Work divided by time, sir! Slammer, power. What McQuay said. Nice work, Slammer. McQuay, work. Force times displacement, sir! Slammer, work. What McQuay said. Nice work, Slammer. Thank you, take it up.
Today, I will be shooting all 4 grams of BBs, the 1.12s, 0.2s, 0.25s, and 0.28s. McQuay is out sick with the bullcrap disease, so I will be shooting all of these. Right now, I have the 0.12s, and I will be shooting at a target 25 meters away.
And finally, the 0.28.
I just got done with my target practice, and I gathered all the targets, and so let's see the results. Welcome to Airsoft Physics 101. I'm Professor Oak. Airsoft is related to physics in the following ways. Projectile motion, because we are shooting BBs in a parabolic path. Newton's second force, because if the mass of the BB changes, then the acceleration will change because the force stays constant. Power is related by the amount of work guns do in different amounts of time. The more force a gun puts out, the littler time, the more power. it's related to Newton's third law, conservation of momentum, because the momentum the BBs have in the air will transfer into the collision through inelastic collision. Kinetic energy can be formed using the average velocity given and the mass of the BBs. Unit conservation is used while converting from the feet to c given into meters per second, to be able to calculate in metric. Now, what are your guys' notes?
If you give a mouse a cookie.
Put that book down. Here's Real Men's assignment since you graduated. Watch this video on King Cobra. It's all the intel we have.
You're huge. Your muscles are amazing. Oh, you're perfect. Hey!
No.
What are you doing?
McQuay, this is the King Cobra's lair. We need to take him down, and we need to work together to do it.
What weight of BB should we use?
We should use the .25s because they seem to be the most accurate out of all of our shots.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah!
Hoorah! We're here, Simon. We're to the building. I think we should split up.
Okay, I got this way. You go that way.
Alright, let's go. I'll see you on the other side.
Alright.
This must be his cave. I bet I'm close.
End the line, McQuay.
Put the gun down, get on your knees.
Man, no!
You know who you are, McQuay.
Who am I?
Kill the Cobra. No one can kill the
You
Cobra.
killed all those rats, man!
End of the line.
What? Are you alright, man? You saved my life, man. Look who it is. It's that mean old drill sergeant from Basic, man. Jerk. My gosh.
Pleasure to meet with you, Colt Melbourne.
Hey, the pleasure's all yours there, Mr. Slammer.
Well, thank you. So, Colt, you've been in Airsoft Army Academy for quite some time now. And how did you first get interested in it?
Well, on my range, I like to shoot at little things, and, someone said, like, hey, you should shoot at people. And I'm like, that'll hurt people. I can't do that. That's breaking the law. And they're like, no, you use these things called an airsoft gun. And I was like, oh, hell, that'd be cool. And then, so I went to this whole little armor thing, and they're like, hey, you're kind of good. And I was like, damn straight, I'm really good. And I was like, can I, join or something? And they're like, yeah, you join the army here. And they're like, that's the Airsoft Army Academy thing. And then I was like, yeah, I like this. And then they said I'm really good.
Alright. Well, how did you first get started with it?
Well, like I said, I was on the ranch and, shooting little things, and it's like, hey, you want to shoot people? And I said, I did say I want to shoot people, but I'm like, what the law says I can't shoot people. And then they're like, these little plastic BB things that hit people with, and it doesn't really hurt them that much, and it's totally legal. And I'm like, oh, I'm all for following the law. I mean, if the law says I shoot people, I shoot people, Good times.
Understandable. Now, when you joined the academy, did you prefer spring guns, gas guns, or electric guns?
I'm all about that old-fashioned spring kind of gun. I don't like that gasoline, because all them Arabs, with that gasoline. I don't want to support the Arab thing, so I like the spring. And I don't like electricity, because electricity is for people, the city slickers. So, I like the spring kind of guns.
Alright. What is your favorite gun?
Well, I always like my good old AK here, but, if I'm really looking to lay down some pipe there, I like the GT35 RS, that's my favorite one there. That one's really gives you a good punch in the caboose there.
Alright. What have you achieved since you've joined the academy?
Well, I've got many medals. I'm probably the best one out there, so you can imagine medals of honor and stuff like that for hurting a lot of people, and gotten some MVP awards for some tournaments, and I've won some tournaments, and all that crazy stuff.
So, cool. Where have you played? That's very interesting.
Very interesting places where you got Minnesota, you got the I would. And, you know, I went up to Canada, and that was cool, you know. With some Canadian bud. They were too busy drinking that maple syrup whenever they did.
What have you noticed about the weight of the BBs that you use? What's your favorite?
Well, I really like the .12 brand. You know, those ones are really the ones I really like because they're just so light and they just go everywhere and you shoot a lot of them. You're gonna hit something. I don't know. I ain't the most accurate, but I shoot a lot, and I think that's what makes me the best player ever.
Have you met anybody that's stuck out in your mind that's like famous? Anybody famous you met on your journeys?
I met Miley Cyrus back when she had longer hair, and that was good. But if I saw Miley Cyrus again, I don't know how I could act about that.
How would you calculate the air resistance when you're shooting at somebody?
Well, you see, the air resistance is inversely proportional to the area from the sun. And, you know, at certain points in time, I'm a little closer to the sun. And so, you know, air resistance is a little more there. And, you know, it's also directly proportional to the amount of yeah.
Okay. I see you don't have many layers of clothing. Do you usually have that many layers when you are playing?
I try to play in the lowest amount of layers I possibly can. I mean, I think clothing is for amateurs, and you know, real pros do it naked, but you know, most courses won't let me do that. So I try to keep a little bit of coverage to kind of keep me in the element, but you know, least amount of layers is best.
All right. Hey, well, thanks for meeting with me, Mr. Melbourne.
Hey, no problem, Mr. Slammer.
Damn it, Slammer!